Hey, it's Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, here with Erin.
Hello, hello.
Ready for another taste test?
Yes.
I am too. Erin and I just ran out to try to find some weird things that you can find at convenience stores / gas stations / liquor stores. The first things we're trying are their collab products between Jack Link's and FritoLay products. So these are meat sticks that are flavored like Doritos, a taco Dorito meat stick, a sweet spicy chili flavored meat stick, a Flamin' Hot, based on the Cheetos meat stick, and then like a duo with cheese.
We can start with taco first. Yeah, maybe
right,
we work our way.
We're gonna work our way. Taco.
Cheers.
I think that's absolutely delicious. It tastes just like a taco.
It does.
I would totally eat this anytime. That's great.
I love it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, really yummy.
All right, let's try the other Doritos. Sweet spicy chili.
Chili.
120 calories. How much fat? This smells good. Did you try it?
I just did. Ooh. I'm sorry, it's 10.
Just like barbecue.
It definitely is like sweet.
Tastes a little fatty. We are now trying the Flamin' Hot.
Okay.
Tastes like there's cheese in here.
That is
It's really hot.
It is spicy, but it's like, I don't know, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd call it like what? Maybe like a 7?
Yeah, I was gonna say a 7. But this one, we don't need to try, but this is half cheese, half meat, right? It's a meat and cheese combo.
Yeah, it's a great,
All right.
great find.
At a liquor store near you.